Greetings, I'm Oscar Bach. Today we are going to talk about a natural phenomenon. There are a lot of events that could destroy this beautiful planet and the life as we know. Some events might to be more dangerous than others. However, this does not maintain some events can have the strength to produce an incredible damage. The earthquake are events so powerful that can produce a catastrophe. It's our duty to stay alert to these events. Some I'm going to give you some advice that you must follow to stay alive in this particular situation. Number one, if you are in the car and earthquakes, and the earthquakes weighing, you must stop immediately and stay in the there only it is safe. Please be careful, don't park under this building, the big far and over you. Number two, if you are in a building, you must cover yourself and why? Cover your hand and neck is your hands and arms. You might stay under a strong table for anything that could fall over you. If you are in the safe place, stay there and wait for a minute or two until you see move on. Number three, if you are in the outside, you must stay there and look around you. We careful even to earthquake proof building. Uh, Stay aware for time might fall and please don't be close to a big into the ground. Follow the simple rules and you must be safe this dangerous situation. God bless you.